The Ora Funky Cat, the latest electric offering from China's Great Wall Automotive subsidiary Ora, has finally made its way to the UK. The car's cute design, affordable price point, and tech-heavy specs have already gained it many fans on the internet, and its price tag of £31,995. Despite its lower price, the Funky Cat's purpose-built electric platform doesn't compromise on power, with a 48 kWh battery pack sending 171 PS to the front wheels, resulting in an 8.3 second 0 to 62 miles per hour time and a top speed of 99 miles per hour. The car also boasts a range of 193 miles on a single charge and can be topped off in under 45 minutes on a 100 kilowatt DC charger. But it's the tech inside the car that really sets it apart. The Funky Cat boasts a voice assistant, cameras that can detect if the driver is tired or if a child or pet has been left in the car, a 10-25-inch infotainment screen, 360-degree cameras and sensors, internet radio, wireless phone charging, adjustable drive modes, and adjustable steering weights. The car even comes with over-the-air updates to add new features as they become available. In terms of functionality, the infotainment screen has all the right features, but the user interface can be unintuitive for some. While the car comes with a 4G connection that enables internet radio and OTA services, web radio can be slow to buffer and may not work if the signal is patchy. The Funky Cat also doesn't support Apple CarPlay or Android Auto until the first half of 2023, so drivers will have to rely on Ora's own navigation efforts for the time being. Despite these shortcomings, the Funky Cat does have some impressive active safety tech, including 360-degree cameras with good resolution and an ADAS display that shows the driver what's around the car in real time. The car's voice assistant is also smart and able to understand contextual instructions. However, the fatigue detection system doesn't seem to work as well as advertised, and the car's warnings can be irritating, but also effective in forcing drivers to stay within safe parameters. Overall, the Ora Funky Cat may not be perfect, but its affordable price point, purpose-built electric platform, and impressive tech make it a strong contender in the electric car market.